happened now?
I don't tire for this life. I don't tire. My woman won't kill me. You see my face, you don't swell up. She don't wound me.
Everywhere swell up. Yes, swell up. Yes, swell up.
I don't tire.
Now wow. You know where
What happened? Stop. What happened? See your face. Your face swell up.
My brother, you don't go understand. You don't go understand. My woman don't enter me. She don't wound me. Don't give me up. They give me up. I don't tire.
No problem again. What happened?
the same problem. Now why I come to my friend? In short now, I want pack my wife load now. Go outside.
You want
pursue my wife? Yes, but I rest. May not kill me. May not kill me. See my face. Every day. What happened?
Never say I never marry.
You want kill me?
Never say I never marry.
You go marry.
I don't marry person who will kill me now. Thank God say I never marry.
I don't go rest. Wala, up and down. I come back. Why go rest? I don't go rest for this house. Come on, this man. I better go. Get out of see the process. What do you I don't know why I pursue my wife.
I don't know. I don't regret. I don't tire. See, baby, don't be so great. Baby, baby. Short breast now. Short breast now. You know some breast again. I don't tire. Why? See, girl, I don't say you know you talk girl. Now why? I go chop gala. I go chop am. Me, I go chop am. I know time go chop gala. Me, I know time go chop my own. You go chop gala. I know say I don't. Chop. Wait for abeg, come outside abeg. Na your friend. Neighbor, neighbor see your friends there. Their friends there. My wife.
What's it going to concern because what's the way we start to think of it? Let's go and figure out those things.
Abeg.
Let's go and
You don't tire. We just say it's easy for us. Abeg. Where dem dey abeg?
I said I don't know where wife. You touch my wife. You touch mine. You touch mine.
You touch mine. Abeg, you touch mine.
Abeg,
you touch mine. Settle it first. Oga, you touch am. Settle it first. Why you go pursue her?
Are you trying to pursue your wife? I'm not gonna pursue my wife.
Thank you for watching this Big Brother comedy full of laughter.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you guys on Wednesday. Please don't forget to subscribe to that YouTube. Okay, we love you guys on YouTube.
Na YouTube.
Don't forget that YouTube. Okay.